Hello friends, running Kimono. So it is the month of June, and guess what? We have some new monthly deals over at Walgreens. Now this guy usually pops up every June where you buy 2 of these and get $2 back in Walgreens cash. Couple little snagoos here. So I gotta let you guys know I haven't been to the store to read the tags with a magnifying glass. But this is happening this week, so if you want to do this by Saturday, go for it. I will go tomorrow and look at the tags really carefully and let you know what I find. So there are 3 different items that are part of this deal. And the first one is the PALMOLIVE, and it is $2.49 this week. The original price is $2.99. And it's part of the promotion. If you look at the bottom of the online buy 2, get $2 back in Walgreens cash. And then we also have the Fabuloso for $2.49 as well. And if you want to mix and match, like grab one Fabuloso and one Palmolive, you can absolutely do that. A lot of us go really hard, though, for Palmolive. And then also the Suavitel for $2.49. There's also a smaller one, so whichever one your store might have. So you need to grab them in increments of 2. Now, to do this deal, to pay the least out of pocket, let's go and grab 2 of these Mentos, do 2 separate transactions where you have 2 manufacturer register rewards that you can absolutely use in this transaction with 2 of these cleaners. So we're going to utilize 2 of these register rewards for this one. So looking at the math for this, I'm going to grab 2 of the Palmolives, and I need the cashier to scan each barcode. Even if I'm grabbing the same scent or flavor, the cashier will scan both of them for me. The total is $4.98. Subtracting that $1.29 register reward twice. And then I'm also going to throw in $2 of Walgreens cash. I'm paying 40 cents plus the tax. And then I'm getting back $2 of Walgreens cash as I bought 2 of these. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash in this scenario because it has the word buy in it. So yes, you can do that little flippy flip. Let's just say you want to use this guy. This is a different one because if you look at the top, it says store coupon. It does not say manufacturer coupon on the register reward. Right at the top, look for it. And if you were doing the Olay deal or the Colgate deal or the Crest deal earlier in the week, you might have one of these. So this is a $4 store coupon. Okay, so grabbing 2 Palmolives again. Okay, like I'm not very imaginative here. I should probably grab 2 Suavitels. That's $4.98. And then I'll present that store coupon, and I'm paying 98 cents out of pocket, and then getting back $2 in Walgreens cash. I think this is a really smart flip of that stupid $4 store coupon. And remember, you can only use 1 store coupon per transaction. So if you had 2 of these, you'd have to do 2 separate transactions. Let's just say you wanted to grab 4 of these. Yes, you can do that. Remember, you need to grab everything in increments of 2, and this is a buy deal. So yeah, that's going to work. So for 4 of these, that's $9.96. Now in Michigan, you can actually use your Walgreens cash to pay down some of your tax. So there will be tax on this. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, get back 4. It makes them $1.49 each. I mean, not the greatest thing. If you have the register rewards, that is the much smarter thing to do. But if you're strapped for this and you just really want some Palmolive or one of these items, hey, $1.49, not the worst deal. Obviously, register rewards are the way to go, either the register reward or the store coupon. Okay, so this little lady, it's a box of 2-in-1 Poise liners. So 50, that's a lot. $7.79. We have a $3 digital coupon. Here it is. So please make sure you have that loaded. If you are avid with the Fetch Rewards app, we have a rebate in your discoveries page of 5,000 points back. So that's $5, guys. So that is just terrific. So, I mean, if your store has these in stock, my goodness gracious, make it happen. Grabbing one of these for $7.79. It has to be this exact box, though, with the lady with the cool sunglasses. Subtracting that $3 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $4.79 out of pocket, getting back $5 from Fetch or 5,000 points. It basically makes it for free. You absolutely need a balance on your receipt so that the app can see that you actually bought this. So I'm going to recommend not to use Walgreens cash to pay that down because you need a physical balance to get your $5. Just to note that. So guys, I know a lot of you are kind of just not sure about deals, so I will be testing this one out on Wednesday. I just cannot get to the store this evening. I just have so much work to do. But 20 cents for each using those Mentos register rewards. It's totally what it's about. Get organized and make this happen so you have this for your stockpile. The last thing I want to address before I take off is I was talking about this in my Sunday video. I had this five back when you do two purchases of $10, and then it jumped up to eight, and it was all this goofy stuff. I did chat with customer service through their chat system, and the rep I had was like, sorry, no, 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 sorry, no. And I had to email her some stuff, and it was just a friggin' disaster. Waste of my time. I can alternatively call customer service, their 800 number, but I just really don't have time this week. So I'm just going to take it as an L of $5 in Walgreens cash. It sometimes happens. Kind of surprised, though, with the lack of customer service at customer service. They're usually so fantastic to bend over backwards, to be really kind, but not what I got on Sunday morning. But that's, I'll just take it as a loss. You win some, you lose some, and I really don't want to be on the phone with somebody at Walgreens because it's just not my thing this week. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.